It's rare to find a property that lays out like this one. It spans 2 ridges and offers some awesome locations for food plots. There is a functional cabin in a beautiful valley setting, and this area produces some giant bucks every year. The 30 by 22 cabin sits well off of a road. It has electricity and propane heat. There's a kitchen, sleeping area for multiple beds or bunks, and a living area. There's also a single stall garage for storage. Northeast of the cabin is an open valley with scattered trees. Can you imagine if this was a food plot? Deer would pour down into this field in the evening from nearly all directions. Head up to the ridge on the main ATV trail and you'll arrive at one of the best pinch points on the property. This east ridge is mostly open hardwoods with several thicker pockets. And there's a well-built 6x6 box blind set up here. The west ridge has heavier cover. A small old field has grown up, but with some clearing could make another possible food plot. As you go down the ridge further, it tapers out to a scenic overlook point where you can see down the valley for miles. Contact Luke, Zach, or myself to set up a showing.